This is a 2012 Chrysler 300. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, heated front seats, a DVD player, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, hill start assist, cruise control, a premium sound system, a leather interior, stylish premium wheels, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, projector beam halogen headlights, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button. And this vehicle has fewer than 18,000 miles on the odometer. This Chrysler has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.